Enche ene ekoto aba ewo Abdulkumanov ai hunsensen bebre bo hawa kumsin ene MPP national organizer yehwe no ehonsem no apagya bebre na enche by election ebekoso wakwatia na panibu MPP mu waba bekasa aye Allen Media Ghana meso so be subscribe be like na do comment no ato ho ede amami Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu ene odinani kopiem ewo ade ache bia with Kwame Nkrumah tikese OKFM na ni nkomodie mu no e na wa kire se yesanzo beko eye akwatia nyakoye by election na de si wo Abdulkumanov no omuntumi vomani nto eye police for so if it's a police for ho na yebo hawa kumsin police for ho na yebo o national organizer intisadia omo se MPP NDC for SN signal mo so mo memma kentinka omo do omo ba be face won awo akwatia dia omo so mo memma mo ho den omo so de be face wo mo intini nyaade omo do mani to omo do mani koto police so if it's a police for ho na de course nyina e course so minche hono yenkotie emra no ane Kwame Nkrumah tikese edi enkomo owo OKFM no emra
Kwame coming events cast their own shadows. So asem kase about Frank Siso ana Frank Siso na ahunu bi tanki na aboasrewa ojije na ba agura oyi na ni atonchen na aboa no so kwa mo nya no nkawa o fe ni sinkire wo enunti ye be kwa akwatia ya kwai mo ka kire me se me kwa amemwa me ho ana me kwa kwasi pokurum ne ya manu num ne ayi ade say isaka no me fo mu ni machi na me fo mu ni mani mu ana sa ne ye ka no ye wo memo ana in opposition and this war opposition na openly na mu ayi twese kan ni kotokuro eye video num ni ade e kra ya bransem ni awudisem wo mbetimi adi abro mu opposition obi anim samo de tritumi manya tumi awie nti kamba mu ba ba mu no anka no ansa mu mo mampani ni abaya wa hihye mu mana asumdie na nka odibu man no na ne atie dia no a so obetene no watene no de enkoyie ne nso aye wonchen ne ya danadi ya tia na nso se masa hade wo kan se na ye ne se na ke ekoye nim ne mo tutu asam no ne awudisem no ne awunwuna na mo de saase from opposition no eno na mo de aba mu na mo de continue so you are sending a signal enti Kwame akwatia me person wa advise yen yemwa ye ho ni enko
da bi munya bambo no ma posifo this time around so ben bibia kan
na posifo wa ya Abdulkumanov
anu omo but no omo nim se ne besie ti o ma hunu
intelligent nya djuma o ma yimu. And that is where I have a problem. Intelligence. Your national security are operatives debris all around. Intelligence is no more picky on the ground to inform security. Quite possible work I think. Name se passe. The big guy who's a police for Hontino would be able to open one column. Mini Sabata. Never go with ya with one aim. Yes, rock with your mind. Conference for. Omu we are mobile and from Sobia, Yabiana, Uncle Yama, with the Bidiano, Omu Twabana, my view. He said we are building our part. You walk one password, you can password every part in each now we are 2028, and you can afford the casa. Say ya na resetting no agenda na ekodia Ghana for such money and building agenda. Say resetting is a Lydia. The next option is rebuilding. The best is so many beautiful. Obaya ibuni odomu e maye ho ankran fa hodie e mraba ye adwuma. Na ankran ni nipa dodo no nyuma sembe koso ni akoye nim anuti ya nyaade a ye betoto ye ho ase okoye bia so principle aka ya
abusia mu akwaba ensanfamra Allen Media Ghana sene yetie no ena wo ka no aso muntumi ehomani ntomo so ba me asema me kan say eye youth no mesremo de nti American youth ni say me maame ana me papa entimi nsore nkokon tokwa da say ya youth na ne edum ba kwa say adwumadi we enti mesro wokọ na se wo ho koka eye wa wasem wokọ na se police kwachewa okoye gidigidi na se police chewa eye amanu ko na wudi na chi na okokoma no o ma meyi wo sebi wokọhwere wo nkwan so a o ma mehwe wabusua wo yere na wo ma o ma mehwe wo mo emfa ma enti de me kan say munhwe mu hiye na ya gem ya beti akenti betuma kontokwa no mesremo wa gem ya fa ye adwuma pesika gubotom emfe ni amanyokuo bi achi enko kontokwa na abatu hwei enye ntokwa ko ya adwenkyere. Fast forward Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayine direct Economic and Organized Crime Office Eoco say investigating NDC organizer Joseph Yamin and NDC Vice Chairman Abanga Yakubu Ahasan for alleged involvement in illegal mining. Na enra enasa letei eba abonten na de etienie
abeto abonten say omanpan President John Dramani Mahama ese omonye den through na Attorney General say Eoco for enkochi Joseph Yamin ondimenchi no onchi no puno mani bill
you
what did the bill no ebe tasa no muti no wadro the state no ko the baby media yi bia ma Mr. Asante enra Joseph Yamin saka letter no wo try de bi wo
okay so Asante for daily gist ne bra sana godon akọ Joseph Yamin krata Joseph Yamin krata no so na unim daily gist ne ode bae o say na Akufo-Addo ene ba wumi video mo ton ye fe no ene hye as your voter region no NDC using drape machines for Galamsey minority blues cover. Enti ase drape mfidi na to so mo fa nye kwan potem no ene mo de asi kwayi mu a omo de ye Galamsey
kwakumi enye me nwanwa
mo de asi kwayi mu
no enye they don't know the use and I don't believe in it. It is about the drape machines eye Galamsey akwaku me say there's official complicity in Galamsey na Eoco at the NDC no eti ade no monye obetipa ma police escort kopo de you know excavator na akọ egurem akwakoye mining ama party na ba business
low bed no say low bed ka ho en no mo de excavators
no mo de
ko akoye mining
eti opa fa ba akolo so nto so
na na suji say o ma say ye sikasem ho anko kontabu na wonim
sika di
eti odiaba
Joseph Yamin enra was say once upon a time in 4BN barracks complex we used to go hunting for cats. And in one of our hunting expedition, we chanced upon a cat which belongs to a soldier. And as we were closing in on catching the cat, the owner of the cat came out of his room and we had to run for cover. Typical of a soldier, he traced us to where we had camped, prepare one that we had caught already. Upon approaching us, he said, "Joe, so you people wanted to add my cat to what you were preparing," which we flatly denied. He said, "I saw these dogs around you chasing my cat and you are here denying." These were his last statement before leaving us. Tomorrow, everybody go hear of it. And true, the next morning, the news started spreading like wildfire. When you see a lion sleeping, please don't wake it up because you may not like what the action of the lion will be. A quote from the soldier I am borrowing. Tomorrow, everyone will hear of us.
Okay. So can I say?
What come to Mahama not to?
Okay, I say every me be can see me one say encrophobia ekowia odwan. Na moko no na odwan buo no se de hotokro no tie no. Enti omo de akola bi koe abemu abi edi omachi koe onko ne de abo ekoto
no
onko office enti no abemu ano ne omo ye nyina no on de fa tokrom ekoyi odwan no ebekun no ye mum kun ne bibia no sha so mo che nam no ani etwa we egu ha ni etwa we egu ha na keto abaako edi edi gu ha sei ti abemu ano hese no mo che nam na no sei ebenya keto edi obeyi ye to pe
This is Abel. It is all man a leader. No,
can you now boom no chair for Ebina Yamin. I say, or Renamona, and some Yamin, also we dos, not to everything, or hack it to an house. The Binyaki to do be here to pay.
Before I video back on so. Yeah, you say Yamin, I interview. And also I deputy Ashanti Regional Minister. And was say, and by the way, deputy Ashanti Regional Minister. On what the science will be up for front. As you know, when Galamsey. Yeah. Now, a drew baby was an aka to the bro. I not watch it as one. Oh, in fact. Wakanda, okay, I said, be a review. I shan't some you could use our document by. Was it a car to the bro, Babachino, I say, and an NDC for a tiguno so. O man, Pram Yanch, I'm one chance and one. Now it would deport to be Mukrampo. Now that time, the NDC for ni be a Galamsey. And one Monday Galamsey for no equia away. And we try to so any unity. So okay. Oh yeah. Video na and right here was I granted interview. Yeah. And I read the same story. See, it was said tomorrow you hear from us. Oh, the tomorrow has come.
Yeah. We are waiting. I don't know question NDC. Omoba abemo no. Aye party no. Nyina na akabo mu say. First year we ni de. Obi anwene ne ho no nya de obi nya Galamsey no mu. Enti first year we under NDC no Galamsey no. Omo ye ni nyafu. Dear Mampani Mahama aka kire Dominican ni si onye no. Eye cosmetic. Omo de katakata ne ma so keke. We ayi
settings ni bia.
Settings ni bia. We your friend say makeup no we. Ah, ko huru na ni mu wi a. Na o sa ko ni dadam. Ti sa pepe. Ena omo eye Ghana. Fo nti we no obi e pebi.
Makeup no there. Yes na say one careful about me asan share X about me asan.
Asa akwazin pe.
I just would no do fi no huru.
Oh, huru na ni wi a.
Asama.
Aye small scale miners and a petition president say oba ye no enema bi ekoso a omani enje ho omoleta no wa ha ewa nse mehwe say yebetumi akan mu kakra. The Concerned Small Scale Miners Association in Ghana has accused top executive of National Democratic Congress NDC and some national security personnel of backing a rogue anti-Galamsey task force operating illegally in several mining communities across the country. In a statement dated July 9, 2025, signed by Chairman Andrew Aban, the association alleged that the illegal task force, which has been extorting money and harassing miners, is linked to the national organizer Joseph Yamin and NDC Vice Chairman Yakubu Abanga. No more janese, some go from Bob di Omudin, Joseph Yamin, and Yakubu Abanga. Omay omosa omo ye task force a omo no nya so best op Galamsey. No mo basaita, no mo babeji wiska, de omo je no hyeso. Mamento aso. The group claims that in region including Sekendi, Bekwai, Offenso and Pristia, armed men in military uniform have been invading mining sites under the guise of an anti-Galamsey task force. According to the miners, these individuals often boast of connection to high-ranking officials and are involved in assaulting and physical abuse. Wasen kwofo ye kwofo mo ba omo hye eye army atade. They are well dressed with army uniform, with weapons. Omo ba be ha adwen wo ho na ye free Jubilee House an yaba na ya soma ye say ye mna mesto pia de omo so ma de omo ye ne say omo small scale miners no omo nye illegal miners omo no krom omo license omo de ye adwuma and omo kura omo ye adwuma no ye clean, but these people come to their site and force them and take money from them and no emfa emra kwan so and no nam so omo bobo eye enkofo bebredin eye police police phobia kika ho the momento aso ha. The miners also identify several individuals allegedly involved in the operation, including warrant officers Ayamba and Bernard, Sergeant Salifu Abdul, Lance Corporal Abdul Richmond, Sergeant Kunya Akwesi, and Lance Corporal Awaga Rocky. ɔse saa nkɔfu we nyinaa ka ho ɔmo yɛ police officers a ɔmo ba site ho no ma ba gi sika ɔhyɛ so ɛno ɛna ma ɔmo twerɛ petition no ɛde kɔma president a ɛnɛ attorney general enso akyerɛ Eoco sɛ ɔnhwehwɛ saa nkɔfu yi nsɛm mu ade a ɛma MPP elusu abatoɔ paa ɛyɛ Galamsey deɛ ma NDC nso nya vote paa no ɛyɛ Galamsey efi sɛ ɔmo keka nsɛm bebree cause na yensu asɛe ya ne yɛka ho asɛm yɛnsase nkɔfumfu ana asɛe yisi ana ensu okura yenya bi nnoma yɛka ho asɛm no na edi gu aban ni tiri so a ama president former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ɛka sɛ wɔde ne president kura no to line sɛ wɔde besi Galamsey ano kwan sɛ wɔntumi a obefura konwa ne so but wɔntumi ba still wɔtena so kɔpem sɛ yɛto aba a olusu ya wɔde sorry free konwa ne so ade a NDC binom ɛyɛ no Ghana for se menka nkyɛ mo sɛ ade a mo yɛ no ɛnyɛ na mo nhwɛ yie wodi aban no bae no ɔbɔ no ho modin bia so betu Galamsey so sa but mo na mo wase mo bo aban no na mutu Galamsey so sa no mo no mo nyɛ ɛna mo nam site na mo gi nkuofu sika are you helping or you are rather destroying the strategy of stopping the Galamsey? And these miners amona mo so mo gigi sika kra no omo nye miners a omo no mo ya illegal miners they are small scale miners omo duma no ehote aban ama ontumi krata omo de omo duma enti no mo ka kira aban ne say omo no aban ne bae no omo ne ne asem fi so adwuma woni omo ye no any lands and resource minister omo yi no say onyom nye adwuma no nanim te ono mo ye adwuma kama nanso sankofo we ya amom homene so mo ye task force anti Galamsey task force mo anga se dwum tumi so edigi sika no aban twom so san nti enra na attorney general letter an beto abonten say Eoco investigating kofo yi na se bubo mo a yeduma famra kwan so ahaya ala media Ghana ye ni di nsem ye chi ye be fi mo babia no ye mfa nka me yeti